My pleasure to introduce to you the Mayor of San Jose, Sam Liccardo, and followed by him will be several City Council members who will be speaking in order of their district number.
Well, good afternoon. My name is Sam and I work for you, and I want to welcome you back to your City Hall Plaza. Thank you for being here, and as I look around the beautiful and diverse faces of our community, I am heartened to know that this is still a wonderful community that embraces love over hate, and that recognizes that it's not enough simply to decry hate. We know, and we know too well over the last year, that disease looks for the vulnerabilities in our body. And it is too easy for us simply to point the fingers at those who commit these horrible acts of hate. That each of us, whether we're the subject of that hate or we are allies to other members of our community, have to do more to make our entire body healthy. I really want to thank the leadership of Assemblymember Evan Lowe and Councilmember Pam Foley for bringing us together. Thank you. And Evan, you said your mom was here. I want to thank Evan Lowe's mom. You raised him right, but you got to wash his mouth out. We are an incredible community, and Assemblymember Lowe put it well. Just 2 blocks from here, a century and a half ago, we had 2 Chinatowns burned down by xenophobic neighbors. Just a few blocks away, of course, in the heart of Japantown, where my father saw friends of his who he played baseball with shuttled off the buses with their families under an edict from the President of the United States to go into internment camps. But this is much more as a community. This is a community where one of those individuals who was subjected to the great indignity of internment became the mayor of the first Asian American mayor of a major city in the United States, right here, San Jose, North Manhattan. And has produced incredible other leaders, as you have already heard, and of course, as you see in Congressman Mike Honda. Thank you again, Mike, for being here. And 2 blocks away, a store kept by a first-generation family was located, and the son of that family would be Viet Nguyen, who would go on to win a Pulitzer Prize just last year for literature. That is what our community is about. And it is about building strength in our community. It is far beyond simply decrying. It is about how we can build the relationships, how we can hold up the role models in our community, who are of course diverse because that is who we are, and how we can be of support and of love to one another. I encourage each of you to think, I think as Supervisor Smitty said so well, each of us have a role to play here. Each of us can do something. Let's do something, whatever that is. Let's make this community just a little stronger together. Thank you all for being here. It's my great honor now to introduce a great champion of social